This is a spiritual crystal card reading for Virgo for January 2014. So let's see what's going to happen for you. Main energy of the month for Virgo. This is beautiful. Here you have again, this card keeps on coming, this crystal. This is the higher vibration of Chrysocolla. And it keeps on coming. So it's gonna, this month of January in general is a month who is connected with a lot of, with the opening of the heart, with joy, with wisdom of the heart, with higher, from transform, because it's a higher level of Chrysocolla, so transform the nervosity into love. You know, it's a lot of to do with the heart. So in this case, it is the main energy of the month is on your heart level. That means a lot of love. It is also, I always see this gem also with the energy of the Archangel Raphael, who is a healer. So let's see, let's leave it there and let's see what's going to happen. So first week of January for you, for Virgo. This is aquamarine. Aquamarine, which is a throat chakra, but aquamarine is also a very deep cleansing stone crystal. It's very high vibration and it's like the water, you know, it's like clear of the water, which is aquamarine. It says it itself, the word aqua, water. And marine is the sea. It's beautiful. When you have beautiful aquamarine, it's like when you hold them in your hands, it's just, you can feel it. It's just pure beauty. Pure joy, you know, cleaning, intensity. It's very strong from vibration. So it also helps you to let go the things that have been in the past there and that were not in place or were not right for you. You let them go. It helps you to go on the path of light. It's very beautiful. Let's see for the second week. Second week of January, what is happening? Well, here you have Ruby. I love it, Ruby. That's the warmth, that's the heart. That means whatever you do it with your full heart. And because you have here, look how beautiful actually they are, these two stones together, you know, and they're both on the heart level. So go for it. Whatever you want to do this month, go for it with the open heart. And do it, you know, follow the flow, because it may be that you have been a little bit on a lower level the last month of December, and in the first week of January, the change, you have the opportunity to clean this, and then open the heart. I mean, go for it. It's beautiful. Let's see on the third week of January. Here you have the quartz. That means clear thinking. Let's see where it brings us on the fourth week. Fourth week, this is carneol. That means action on the earth plane. So if we look at this like this, the main energy is the heart. The main energy is love. The main energy is love, is beauty, is insight, is heart level. The first week is like something happens that you can redirect the stream. Redirect maybe on the heart. Maybe you lost it a little bit, you know. Maybe you lost a little bit of contact with your heart. And because of the first week, and the opportunity that gives you the aquamarine, the energy of the aquamarine, it's like cleaning of the past and being ready for the new. And then you have here the second week, you go open your heart. Do whatever you do with joy. Go for it. So whatever happens in the second week, go for it. If something is offered to you, a new job or whatever, or a relationship, it is good. It is really good. So use it. The third week, there is clear thinking. So maybe the third week you have to think a little bit. Maybe you have to keep your head cool. Who knows? You know? So you have to keep your clear thinking. Think clearly what's going on, what's happening. Maybe you have to relativate a little bit. Maybe you have to concentrate. And then on the fourth week means action. The 4 weeks means go for it fully. So this is actually I think it's a very constructive month. With possibilities, with a lot of possibilities, a lot of power of the heart, and for sure, I think a very nice month. If I see this, I think you're going to have a very nice month. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm going to ask for a card from the angels, a crystal. What's an advice from the angels? What do the angels have to say to you? And this is Charoite. Charoite, that means, this is very interesting, because we have here, go for it and open the heart and beautiful and love and all this. And then suddenly Charoite falls in here, but Charoite has to do with your fears. So this is not Lepidolite who has to do with sadness, it's fears. Maybe it says to you, don't hold back, go for it, don't fear because of the ruby here. Don't fear. It is a go this month. Open your heart. Don't be afraid to show your heart. Don't be afraid to open yourself. Let's see what is another message. There's another message. And here we are with emerald, beautiful green emerald, again a heart card. So you have here already only for the heart, in a positive way, in a strong way, in a love way, you have 3 stones, crystals, gems I would say. 3 gems only for the heart, and they are all really saying go for it, do it. So whatever is holding you back, whatever is making you, because maybe that's where the aquamarine comes, you know, maybe you have been afraid to show your emotions latest. Maybe you were afraid because you didn't know what's going to happen if you show your emotions. And the angels are saying now to you, show your emotions. You are ready for it. Don't fear. Let your fear go. It's not necessary. Go. Carniol, fourth week. Keep your thoughts clean, not clean, clear. Keep clear thinking. So don't fall into fears. Oh, I can't, what's going to happen if I show my true emotion? How will the other person react if it's on a love level? Don't fear it, show it, because it's very good. So, I would say enjoy this month. One more card is something more to say here. Okay, here you have it. This is pink coral. Pink coral, and pink coral say to you, influence your surrounding with love, and at the same time also accept yourself as you are, love yourself as you are, and I would say have confidence in yourself. Trust yourself because of the fear here. Trust yourself, trust your heart, listen to your heart. And listen to maybe to the other person who has something to say to you from his or her heart. So enjoy it. And thank you for watching. If there are any questions, I would be happy to answer them.